Fear whispered to me every single day. It said, "Stay quiet. Don't try. You will fail." And I listened. For years I listened, until I realized that fear wasn't protecting me. It was destroying my future, one silent day at a time. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for daily English confidence stories. Let me ask you something honest. Do you understand English? Can you read it? Can you write it? But when someone speaks to you in English, do you freeze? I know that feeling. I lived it for 8 years. I would watch English movies and understand everything. I would read English books without problems. But when someone asked me a simple question in English, my mind would go blank. My heart would race. My hands would shake. And I would stay silent. Why? Because fear controlled me. Fear told me that people would laugh at my mistakes. Fear told me my accent was bad. Fear told me I wasn't good enough. And I believed every word. One day I missed a job opportunity. A good job. They needed someone who could speak English. I knew I could do the work. But in the interview, I couldn't speak. Fear won again. That night, I realized something powerful. Fear wasn't real. It was just a voice in my head. A voice I had been feeding for years. And it was time to stop. I made a decision. I decided to speak English every day. Even if I made mistakes. Even if people laughed. Even if I sounded different. I would speak. I started small. Every morning, I stood in front of my mirror. I looked at myself and spoke. "Hello, my name is. Today I will be brave. I will practice English. I am not afraid." First, my voice shook, but I kept going. 5 minutes every morning, just talking to myself. About my day, my feelings, my dreams. Then I added reading practice. Every evening I read English stories out loud. Slowly, clearly. I didn't worry about being perfect. I just practiced. I also tried shadowing. I watched English videos and repeated every sentence. I copied the rhythm, the tone. My daily routine was simple. Morning, 5 minutes talking to myself. Evening, 10 minutes reading out loud. Night, 10 minutes shadowing videos. Just 25 minutes a day. That's all. After 2 months, something changed. A stranger asked me for directions in English, and I answered, without freezing, without fear. I just spoke. My English wasn't perfect, but it didn't need to be. I communicated. I helped someone, and I felt proud. Here's what I learned. Fear stops you from speaking because you give it power. But the moment you start practicing, fear becomes smaller. Your voice becomes stronger. You don't need perfect English to start. You need courage. You need to try. You need to speak even when you're scared. Remember this. Every fluent speaker was once afraid like you. They just decided that their dream was bigger than their fear. Today, make that same decision. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. And say out loud, "I will speak English. My fear doesn't control me. I am brave." Say it. Mean it. And start today. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu and break free from fear. Because your voice deserves to be heard. Your dreams deserve to be lived. And your English journey starts now. Fear will always be there. But so will your courage. Choose courage. Choose to speak. Choose to grow. Your future is waiting. And it starts with one word spoken today.